Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to share a photo album on Google Photos. First of all, open your web browser. Type photo.google.com/sharing in your web browser. Click on Albums from the left bar menu. The albums you create are shown here. Tap on Create Album. From here, you can select People and Pets to create an auto-uploading album. Tap on Select Photos. You can drag photos and videos anywhere to upload. Tap on Select Photos. It is almost done and you can share it as well. You can invite people to the album also. You can search by name, phone number, or email. Select the email of the person you want to share your album with. You can also add a title to your album. You can invite more than one person to the album. To share the link of your album, you need to find the share icon. Then, it will show you the drop-down menu from where you can invite people. Now, from here, click the Create Link button. When you hit the Create Link button, the link will be generated. After that, click on Copy and the link you generated, and you can share it with anyone. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below and I will see you in the next one.